With mortgage payments going up because of higher taxes and higher insurance costs, I wanted to talk about a few ways you can possibly save on your mortgage. I'm Shaheedah Hill, getting you over the hill to home ownership and helping you save on your mortgage payment. So I'm going to give you 3 different things you may want to look into. The number one thing is getting rid of your private mortgage insurance. If you have a conventional loan, if you have 20% equity in the home, either through the home going up in value or through making payments, you should be able to get rid of your PMI. When I bought my house, I was able to get rid of my PMI after the first 3 years of ownership. I put 5% down. So, I didn't make enough payments in those first 3 years to get 20%, but the home that I bought went up in value pretty quickly because I was in a new construction community. So I called my mortgage company. They sent an appraiser out to make sure I had the value there. And by my next payment, the PMI was removed. So if you bought, particularly anytime during or before the pandemic, then you likely have 20% equity in your home. And if you have a conventional loan, you should be calling your mortgage company to drop your private mortgage insurance. So that's one thing that you can do. Don't hesitate. Go ahead and ask and find out how that process works. Number 2 is to make sure you're getting all of your tax exemptions. So every city, county, state is a little bit different as to how they apply property tax exemptions or discounts. But most common ones are veteran disability exemptions, homestead exemptions, senior exemptions. All of those things can help you save on your property taxes, but you have to apply. It's not going to be something that's automatically given to you. You have to apply with your city, with whoever generally collects your taxes in that same office, or maybe you have a tax commissioner where you live. They will have all of that information for you. So just make sure you are reaching out, looking at the websites for your city or your county, and finding out if you are getting all of the exemptions that you qualify for. If you are having trouble online, it's worth a visit to the office for them to look at what you have, your age, any other qualifications you may not be receiving. All right, number 3 is homeowners insurance. So homeowners insurance has gone up, not just with home values going up and it costing more for them to insure your home or rebuild your home if you have something catastrophic happen, supply costs, all of that stuff went up. Also, just in general, prices have gone up because, more natural disasters, more things going on in the world. So insurance rates have gone up definitely since the pandemic. So you want to make sure you are getting the best rate. So you need to go ahead and re-quote with some other insurance companies. You can re-quote and ask your current insurance company, are you getting all the exemptions that you qualify for? And then you can look at least 2 additional home insurance companies and see how much it would cost for them, because those payments, your taxes and your insurance, if you're escrowing those every month, then that's a monthly payment that makes your mortgage more expensive. So you want to try to save on those. You can also try to increase your deductible and just make sure you have the insurance for very expensive catastrophes, that sort of thing. You don't want to file an insurance claim for something really small that happens on your property. So maybe consider increasing. So if, say, you have $1,000 deductible, can you go up to $3,000? How much would that save you? And then you can use some of the money in your emergency fund, build up an emergency fund so you can cover small costs. All right, I hope these 3 things were helpful, at least to get you started with some things that you can possibly do to lower your monthly mortgage payment. If you are thinking about refinancing your mortgage, watch this video next. It's all about when it makes sense for you to refinance.